Imagine this. A patient walks into your facility for a simple routine procedure. Everything looks normal until something unexpected happens, and suddenly that small moment becomes a legal and financial crisis that puts your entire hospital or clinic at risk. This is the reality many healthcare facilities in Kenya face today. Every day, medical teams make decisions that affect human lives, and even with skill, even with experience, healthcare is unpredictable. But the truth is, many facilities still operate without proper malpractice protection, and it only takes one claim to change everything. Claims in Kenya are rising. Patients are more informed. Regulations are stricter. And when a complication happens, families demand answers and compensation. Legal fees alone can drain your resources, damage your reputation, and disrupt your operations. That's why malpractice insurance isn't just another form. It's a shield, it's a safety net, it's the layer of protection that keeps your facility standing when things go wrong. It covers negligence, errors, misdiagnosis, complications, the risks every healthcare provider faces daily. And when something happens, you're not alone. The cover helps with legal defense, compensation, and support, so your team can keep delivering care with confidence. But choosing the right cover isn't always easy. Understanding limits, preparing documents, selecting an underwriter, it can get complicated fast. And that's where step-by-step insurance comes in. We help you navigate the entire process, partnering with Kenya's most trusted underwriters to match your facility with the right protection. No confusion, no pressure, just clear guidance from start to finish. In today's healthcare world, waiting until something goes wrong is no longer an option. Protect your staff. Protect your patients. Protect your facility. Talk to Step-by-Step Insurance today and secure the cover that keeps your healthcare institution safe, trusted, and prepared for anything.